Welcome to the brand new 2021 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4. The AT4 Sierra is powered by a 5.3 liter V8 engine and made it up to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Taking a quick look at the interior of the truck, power windows, locks and mirrors, as well memory seating, drivability dial, push button 4x4 and automatic headlights. We have a leather wrapped heated steering wheel with cruise control and audio controls, column shifter, push button ignition. We have a nice large 8-inch touchscreen, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, both in there. Dual zone climate control with heated and ventilated seating. We have the integrated trailer braking system, USB ports as well. All black interior. We do have the leather heated and ventilated AT4 seating with Kalahari inserts up front. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the Sierra AT4, we have the 18-inch wheel and tire package, alloy wheels with the Goodyear Wrangler Duratrack all-terrain tires, color-matched door handles with keyless entry, AT4 on the front door, 5.3 liter V8 plaque on the front fender. The vehicle does have the 2-inch lift kit from the factory, giving you room for those big wheel and tire packages. We do have LED headlights with turn signals, as well as fog lights, color-matched grille, and the red signature tow hooks. Making our way down the side of the vehicle, blacked out window trim, rear tinted privacy windows, remote start equipped. At the back of the Sierra AT4, dual chrome exhaust tips with our rear trailer tow package, GM MultiPro tailgate, and LED brake lights. Taking a quick look at the interior of the vehicle, we have the leather 60/40 bench second row. Both end seats are car seat ready with in-seat storage feature. We have a solid rear window with defrost, extra headroom over top with LED lights, dual USB ports, as well as rubberized floor liners and carpeted inserts installed. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-on video on the brand new 2021 GMC Sierra 1500. Any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales team.